Okay folks, today I've got quite a treat for you. This is an original 1963 Chevrolet Fullsize factory Delco AM FM radio. This is the real deal. This is a 1963 only unit, although technically it'll also bolt into 64 models. The 63 model was unique in that it used a 4-wire connector here in the back, as opposed to the 64 version that used a 3-wire connector. These 63 radios are really hard to find. Back in 63 there really weren't that many FM stations available at all, and the ones that were available were in big cities and things like that. So with the high cost of the FM radio, no one really wanted to buy it unless they lived in a city, and even then the radio cost, I think back then, as much as the Super Sport option and the Impala. So buying one was, you had to know what you were getting when you were getting it. You weren't just going to click a box because it was 20 bucks. Anyway, pretty nice Survivor example. You can see the face is really nice. There's some pitting on the area that doesn't protrude through the dash, but the area that does protrude through the dash is quite nice. The slide bar is really nice. All the push buttons and dials, everything works as it should. Show you all the way through here just so you can see. Boom, boom. You got this inner one. Boom. Clicking on and off, doing the whole thing. Okay, so the thing with this radio is this plug here plugs into a separate unit, and usually when these were taken out of cars, the separate unit was left in the car, because the unit on, I've got to remember here, but I think the unit on non-AC cars was actually connected to the speaker itself, and the unit that was on AC cars was remote of the speaker. So I decided to sell this one as an unrestored original, so the buyer could find either the AC particular one or the non-AC remote unit. It's a fairly simple deal. It's just got like a bias control on it, as well as a transistor that powers the radio. Most any radio restorer or service person could fabricate that piece for you if that's what you decide to do, or you could find an original one. Your car may still have the piece in it if it came with a AM/FM radio. Anyway, just a really nice example. I'm just making this video to show you the condition of the radio. It's just a really nice Survivor piece. Usually you'll find these wires cut off, a heavily pitted front, maybe a flip dial that doesn't work. There's a myriad of things that can go wrong with these radios, and this one's just a really nice original. And being a 63 unit, it is uber rare. If you've been looking for one, I'm sure you know. If you see these for sale, you probably see 10 64 radios for every 63 radio that's for sale. And even the 64 radios were not common by any means. Rarely do you even see the 64 units for sale, but these 63 units are as rare as hen's teeth, as they say. If you do need a 64 unit, I have a number of them on the shelf. I'd be happy to sell you one of those as well. But if you're looking for a 63 unit, this is the only one I have, and it is the cat's meow, if you will. So if you've been looking for one, don't miss it. They rarely come up for sale, and this is a real nice example. Thank you, guys.